Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Leon 2 litre TDI 184 finished in Monsoon grey. Features on the car include the daytime running lamps and full LED headlamps. The vehicle benefits from a wheel upgrade to an 18-inch alloy wheel. Has built-in LED indicators built into the mirror housing. As part of the FR specification, the car comes with privacy glass from the B pillar backwards to help keep the interior temperature low on a hot day. Seat badge doubles as the boot handle. Inside revealing a large loading space and access to 60/40 split rear seats that fold down. Car seats 5 in total, has a black cloth interior with red stitching. Has 4 electric windows with electric heated mirrors that fold in. Automatic lights. Cruise control. The car's covered just over 15,100 miles. Benefits from a large touchscreen display with DAB radio, Bluetooth streaming, satellite navigation, hands-free calls and full link. Dual climate control. Storage at the front with 2 USB ports and a 3.5mm auxiliary. Hill hold facility and storage in the centre with a 12-volt power source. If you'd like any further details, please contact Patrick here at Crewe Seat. The number is 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.